Hey guys, it's Burgos here, and in this video I'll talk about Usha and Sigrid. I get Usha before a couple days and I immediately level up her to level 19. Now this hero, maybe except the Captain Aura, this is 24% more HP, but the rest of this hero is absolutely awesome. And at the same time I have Sigrid. And you know, in the game progression in Dragonheir Silent Gods, you will most likely to count on the rare heroes. I mean, I personally do it since most of the epic heroes is not so good one. I don't know why this is happening, and there is tons of rare heroes that is very good. And these two heroes is part from this A team or whatever team. I mean, one of the best heroes in my opinion so far from my heroes. Of course, you can use each hero on the different situation, that is totally fine, but in general, who is better, Sigrid or Usha? This is personal my question, because I like to have all my heroes ranked, and I think you also should do that. You have to know which heroes is your best heroes and put the maximum effort there. Don't spread your gear around the heroes and stuff like this. You have to know where is your main weapons. Maybe I'll say a couple words about the Sigret. Now, first of all, when the enemies die, you will get 25% ultimate energy. This healing prohibition is very important for 5 seconds. Also getting 2 toxic arrows, that is doing some extra damage. But the cherry of the pie or cake is this ultimate that is doing 820% attack. The issue here is, yeah, that's very good if you have some kind of stages where your hero, where you're going to kill many mobs or many monsters till you hit the big boss, and this 25% is going to be awesome. But if you go for world bosses like for example Temporal Vortex or whatever, where it's just a single boss, there is no missions, and this first skill is not going to help you that much. This is the only minus I see from the Sigrid. The rest of the skills is absolutely insane, especially this healing prohibition and attack penalty is 50%. That means the boss is going to do 2 times less damage. This is absolutely great for survivability. On other side we have Usha. Now Usha ultimate is close to the Sigrid. Slashes forcefully twice, each dealing 400%. If you hit 2 times, you're going to do 800% damage in general to the enemies within the range. So she's actually hitting multiple targets, and I think this is very good AoE damage hero. 800%, woo. And inflict force for 10 seconds. Now, why is this frost so important? It's actually from the first skill. Every 2 basic attacks at the enemy under frost deals double damage. And she also get attack speed 50% after she gets some shield. So this combination, this synergy between these spells is very nice for Usha. That's my personal opinion, but I have solution for Sigrid, and I'll explain why. She will do 800% attack to the enemies with the range, so multi-hitter. I make my Sigrid also a multi-hitter when I combine her with Voresh. Now Voresh is going to do all over the map this spell that is going to have a 75% chance to inflict big buff prohibition. And Sigrid ultimate is hitting everybody with debuffs, so this 820% damage is going to be spread all over the map to all heroes, all monsters that have these debuffs. So this is pretty decent. So I combine her with a Voresh, but for a single one I think Usha is very nice. Now here comes the part maybe where the Usha is one idea better from Sigrid, and this is the first spell. The first spell is every second attack, basic attack, is going to do double damage. This is very important since the Sigrid first spell is, again, she's just going to regen some ultimate energy if the enemy is killed. But if you face a single boss, I think this is not going to matter. You basically lose this skill. But on other hand, when there is a multiple enemies, I think this is way better from 2 times hitting, doing some extra damage. And I think they're maybe on the same position in my mind from the damage side. On other side, Sigrid have this very important healing prohibition. Now some bosses make insane healing, like 30k healing, and you definitely want to have this healing prohibition, especially in the Grave of Wrath, where in the higher stages the boss is going to heal himself. You definitely want to have healing prohibition, and Sigrid can actually give you that. And of course, attack penalty. Attack penalty is increasing my survivability like 50%. If I don't use Sigrid, I survive less. If for example I survive like 4 minutes with Sigrid, I will survive 2 minutes or maybe 2 minutes and something without Sigrid. This attack penalty is very important. So if I check both of these 2 heroes and I have to pick one of them to create my team, for example, for all bosses, all maps and everything, I'll still pick Sigrid. Just because of these debuffs, and I think from the damage side, Usha and Sigrid, if you combine Sigrid with Voresh, I think Usha and Sigrid is going to do same damage, but on other side, all this healing prohibition and attack penalty is great boost from Sigrid. This is a must hero. There is a lot of places where you just can just remove the healing, especially even in the arena. If you have Voresh and Voresh fire up, and after this Sigrid fire up, for 10 seconds the enemy is not going to get any healing, and this is very important. Like this you can dodge Hexandra healing or any other healer. So yeah, from my personal opinion, I'm still a huge fan on Sigrid, even though the Usha is better for a chief fight where it's just one boss. But you don't know what this boss is going to have. So I'm going for sure use both of these 2 heroes. But I just like to make little compares between these 2 heroes. And I think Usha, I think Sigrid is one idea better from Usha. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.